Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Vechain. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Vechain's price, where the price is going in the immediate short term, and whether or not we're ever going to see Vechain break out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So as of June 18th, if we're looking at the price of Vechain, it's currently sitting at 1.5 cents. We're down about 1.6% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its ranking, on the other hand, currently ranked at the top 40th spot with a market cap of $1.1 billion and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $32.4 million. But now comes the question, what really is next for the price? That might be the question that everyone has on their mind, and I'm going to share my personal thoughts with you guys on that right now. But before we get into it, you guys know, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So before we get started on the price, just wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys want to see the entire thread, I will leave the link in the description box below so you guys can see this for yourself. Partner news of the week, hashtag VRocket. VUSD volume has soared since March, and today we want to highlight this incredible platform. Let's delve into why VRocket merits our attention. So again, if you want to read more about this, link in the description box below. If you are a Vechain holder, this is very, very exciting, and I want you guys to kind of read this and see what really is happening. But as far as the price is concerned, everyone is getting sick and tired of the price of Vechain. But let's remember, guys, it's not only Vechain. A majority of the big top 100 coins, majority, again, the key word is majority. Some of the people are going to come and comment, no, like, look at this coin, it's mooning, look at that coin, it's mooning. I said majority. And Vechain has been in a decline since its yearly high, which was on Feb 21st of this year at 3.2 cents. And since then, we have seen a significant drop within the price of Vechain for about 54.8%. And a lot of people are really saying, what really is happening? Are we ever going to see Vechain break out towards the upside and start heading towards its all-time highs? Guys, remember, if you guys are not familiar with the cryptocurrency market, a lot of uncertainty can shake things apart. We had great momentum building up for altcoins, but look what happened to the dominance. Dominance is literally sky high. Bitcoin also mooned towards the upside, which caused altcoins to lag behind. And now, of course, Vechain has pulled down quite significantly. And now comes the question, literally the biggest question that I've been getting recently, besides, of course, Mill Lady questions and Pepe questions, is, are we going to see Vechain drop below a penny? And that's a significant drop. If you want to really look at it from that point of view, let's go into the bigger picture and see what really is happening. So if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, in order for Vechain to go back to 1 cent, that would be a move of roughly below a cent, would be a drop of about 32%. That's a significant drop. And last time the price of Vechain was there was back on November 2020, or the year of 2020. So that would be nonetheless a crazy big drop within the price of Vechain. And is that a possibility? That is a question, right? So let's go back to the June 10th drop, when we did see Bitcoin drop down to 24,000. Of course, Vechain reacted to that. We did see a flash crash to 1.3 cents. And since then, on the hourly time frame, you guys will be able to better see this. Since then, we're still up about 12%. We did see it go way higher, almost to 1.7 cents. So, the overall recovery was quite impressive. But does this mean we're out of the woods yet? No. Unfortunately not. The only reason as to why I'm saying this is because the dominance is still high, guys. And having dominance this high, and we hear some sort of negative news come out of anything regulatory news or anything that revolves around crypto, that can impact Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a retracement once again, maybe retest $24,000, guess what's going to happen to the price of Vechain and the entire crypto space? It's going to go down. And that is no secret at this point. But a 30% drop, in order for us to see a 30% Vechain drop, I think we would need, Bitcoin to hit 24K. If it were to hit, that, or even go lower to possibly, some analysts are saying $22,000 Bitcoin. If that were to happen, then yes, Vechain will go below a penny. And that is where I'm going in. That is where I will once again go literally insane, in my honest opinion. Reason being, I believe in Vechain's, project. Whatever I invest is, I'm willing to lose. And of course, I have done my due diligence and research. And, like I said, these are the times, in my honest opinion, to be shopping around for altcoins that you like, because the uncertainty, the fear in the crypto space is still sky high. But the biggest news as of now that a lot of people are sleeping on is BlackRock. They have come out and want to get an ETF approved by the SEC, and if that gets approved, that could bring in billions of dollars to the crypto space. So, I'm mega bullish on the certain altcoins that I like, and if Vechain were to go back to a penny or lower, that's where I will be going in and accumulating, a big bag of Vechain. And that is currently in the books right now. That's currently my analysis on Vechain. Of course, the most positive, news that you guys can hear is what I shared with you guys earlier. And of course, their ecosystem is growing at a tremendous rate. Forget about the price. Let's look at that ecosystem. But of course, now, as far as investors are concerned, new retail investors, they're on the sidelines. They're really scared to jump into crypto right now because SEC is coming and labeling certain coins as securities. But remember, SEC is just within US. There's a world outside of the United States. So we need to keep that factor in mind. And what we're also seeing happening is a lot of these big countries are coming together. China, Russia, they're coming together and partnering with one another, working with one another, using these Chinese yuan. And not only that, they are adopting to crypto. They're open to crypto adoption. So this really is getting very exciting. So we're going to see how things really revolve around. I am expecting, if more positive news comes out, we could see Bitcoin, go back into the 61.8 and most importantly, get back above 28,700. And of course, Vechain will start going back to the May prices, which was around 2 cents. And I'm not, I would not be shocked if that were to happen. That's a move of about 43%. I think that can really trigger altcoins to moon. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this thing plays out. But of course, we're still in an accumulation zone. A lot of sideways momentum. It's been over a year now that the price of Vechain has been below this level of resistance at 3.4 cents mark, guys, which is crazy. It's been literally over a year. And right now, we are also below, the yearly highs for Vechain. The yearly lows for Vechain for last year, which was around 1.5 cents. We're even below that right now. And, of course, a lot of uncertainty. But the people that love Vechain, the ones that want to be accumulating certain projects such as Vechain or any other project, they're accumulating right now. But at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. But my overall prediction still remains the same. I believe Vechain will hit a newer all-time high that is going to shock a lot of people next bull cycle, especially when altcoins start rallying. The parabolic mania, which of course starts after the Bitcoin halving. But of course, that's just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. If you guys are aware, I've been covering Vechain way below a penny, and I saw this project go from that level to 28 to 29 cents. And even back then when it was that low, no one believed in it. And, going back to what I say, a lot of people come and say, oh, Vechain is literally where it was back in 2020. Let's look at that. It's still up almost 7x from its 2020 lows. So that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Vechain going. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.